If you've ever felt confused by investing, then this video will change everything. Because index investing is not just the simplest way to invest, but from the hundreds of books I've read over the last 25 years as an investor, and the thousands of YouTube videos I've watched, it's the strategy that builds the most wealth. Not trading, not hype, not get rich quick schemes. Today I'm going to show you what an index fund actually is and how to choose the right investment. But first, I want to give you a personal story that really drives home the importance of long-term investing. My dad is struggling. Before I get to my dad, I want to start with a bit of honesty. Because yes, I've been investing for the last 25 years, but I'm not a millionaire. And to be totally honest, I've found investing hard over the years. It's caused me a lot of anxiety and even depression at various times. Let's just say I'm very much a work in progress. On the positive side, I've went from a 20k overdraft in 2019 to around 420k in assets in about 7 years. That's mainly because of financial education. Now, for exactly how I've turned things around, see below for a recent video. Anyway, back to my dad, because watching him struggle in his early 60s is painful to watch. When he gets on a job, he works like 6 or 7 days each week because he's worried about money, because he wants to build up his pension pot, as he hasn't got much saved for retirement. Not only that, but he needs to get 2 new knees, and he's finding work harder and harder. Looking back, my dad has had good jobs and could have easily saved £500 per month over the last 30 years. Let's make some assumptions based on historical stock market data. If he invested that money every single month into the S&P 500 with an average return of 10%, he would have ended up with over £1.1 million. He would have been retired 100%. He didn't invest, and the main reason is zero financial education. Please learn from this painful situation, because most people struggle in retirement here in the UK. The mistake most people make. Most beginners think investing means picking winning stocks, trying to find the next Tesla, timing the market, overthinking the next market crash. That type of mindset is why they never start. But the real secret, from what I've read and consumed here on YouTube, you don't need to pick the winner. You just need to own the whole market. That's what an index fund does, and that's why it works. Index investing, as I say all the time on this channel, is my favourite way to invest, mainly because it's stress-free. I've been doing it since mid-2019 for me, my wife and our 2 daughters. What an index fund actually is. Let's make this as simple as possible. What this channel is all about. An index fund is just a basket of companies. That's it. Instead of buying Tesco, Unilever, Apple, Microsoft one by one, you buy one fund that already owns them all. So when the world economy grows, your money grows with it. You're not betting on one company. You're betting on human progress, the whole economy. If you want to learn all about index investing and investing in general from an actual expert, have a look at Andrew Craig and his excellent content on YouTube. And his book, How to Own the World, is one of my favourite investing books on this very topic. Why this strategy builds real wealth. Historically, the global stock market has returned around 10% per year, long term. Not every year, some years are red, and this is where most people fail. They panic in the down years, but the investors who win, they stay invested, they stay consistent, and that's how £100 per month turns into over 226,000 over 30 years. This might sound like a random example, but it isn't. To find out why 226k and £100 per month means so much to me as a dad, see below for a recent video, and wish me luck, because that video, what you can find below in the description, is one of my many attempts at encouraging my 2 teenage daughters to invest. The real power is time. Compounding is slow at the start. That's why people quit. They stop investing. In the early years, most of the money is yours. Later, most of the money is growth, interest. That's when it becomes life-changing. That's why starting early matters, probably more than investing big. Compounding interest is hugely important when it comes to investing and building wealth. And guess what? I've got a video all about it below. Yes, I'm trying to get you to watch more videos on this channel. And yes, I genuinely care and want to help as many people as possible with my experience. But no, this isn't financial advice. Nothing on this channel contains any advice. How to choose the right index fund. This is where most videos stop. But this is what people actually need, because the best index fund for a 22-year-old is not the best one for someone retiring in like 10 years. But in this video, I'm going to try and help you choose the best index fund for you as an individual investor. First off, think about your time horizon. How long is the money going to be invested for? 20 plus years maybe. In this situation, you can take more risk, more stocks in your global index fund, like the Life Strategy 100 fund that you can get with Vanguard. Or you could keep things simple and just invest into the S&P 500 because you have time on your side to ride the inevitable ups and downs of the market. What if you intend to invest for the next 10 to 20 years? In this case, you might take a balanced approach. Global index fund initially, and as time goes by, you might add bonds to your portfolio. Under 10 years, this is where less volatility really matters. You really want a more defensive allocation, not 100% equities. So you might go 50% stocks, 50% bonds. Your emotional risk tolerance. This is something to really think about. Not what return do you want, but how will you react when your portfolio drops 20 or 30%, because it will happen. If you panic sell, your strategy is wrong for you. Before you start investing, you really need to understand your own tolerance to risk. 3 simple portfolios to think about. Number 1 is for the beginner, low stress investor who wants to keep it simple. So you could go for one global all cap index fund where you want thousands of companies. That's it, done. Number 2 is for the balanced investor. You might want growth but also UK exposure. Here's a little example. 50% global index fund, 30% S&P and 20% FTSE 100. Diversified, simple and powerful. And number 3 is for the high growth investor with a long time horizon who can handle volatility. Maybe this investor would have heavier US weighting, more equities, because time is on your side. So if someone was 25 and was thinking about investing for the next 30 years, they would probably go 100% stocks. And if they invest £500 a month for 30 years, they'll get just over £1 million, assuming they get 10% average returns, like what my poor dad could have got if he had financial education 30 years ago. The UK cheat code, but this can be applied in many countries who also have tax-free wrappers. This strategy becomes really powerful in the UK because of tax-free wrappers like the stocks and shares ISA. Inside this, you get no capital gains tax, no dividends tax, no tax on growth. So all that compounding I keep going on about, you get to keep it. The biggest mistake to avoid. From experience, the big mistakes are stopping when the market drops, chasing hype, changing strategy every single year, waiting for the perfect time. But the perfect time does not exist. Consistency does. Take it from me, investing mistake can be very, very painful. But if you focus on financial education, like watching videos on this channel, I believe you'll make less mistakes. You'll make more money and get early retirement. Not advice, again, just my humble opinion. The fastest way to grow your portfolio. Increase your monthly investment. And the best way to do that, invest in yourself. Because going from £100 to £300 per month invested is much more powerful than finding a better fund, a better investment. Summary. Index investing is my favourite way to invest, easily. And this is me trying to nudge you towards long-term investing and potential early retirement. This is not just a strategy for me personally. This is what I'm building for my wife and my daughters, so they don't have to depend on a job, so they have choices, so they have freedom. And that's why I keep saying, you don't need to be special, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start investing. In the next video of this 10-part playlist, I'll get into investing into AI, something I feel very strongly about.